Bursaries are social support programs that are intended to mitigate and are created by necessity because the people have a challenge, So they help us to mitigate against poverty, and it also cushions the needy and the poor as far as we are concerned. It is also the responsibility of any level of government that budgets for including and underpinning it by legislation of policy. So let me explain to you. Before we can okay, number one, a county government is allowed to create a fund. A fund around, Nyeri has created the health fund, Nyeri has created the EDF, Enterprise Development Fund, Nyeri has an Elimu fund. Within the Elimu fund, we fund students who are going to secondary schools, colleges, and tertiary institutions, and even universities. We pay for their fees because they are not able to pay. I'll give an example. Before you can do that, we have to create the Elimu fund. It goes to the county assembly. They approve it. It becomes law. Then we have regulations to run it. There is already an Elimu Fund Act, which the controller of budget uses to allocate, to give money. When we made a budget, the first person who must approve our budget is the controller of budget. As we are speaking, in almost every county, there is an allocation for bursaries, which she approved in July. So, what is this that has suddenly come up after she has approved budgets, and she now requires that the Nyeri as a county sits with the national government to sign participatory agreements for a function that has not been given to national government or to county governments? Because it is saying a need